Hey, what's up everybody? Gonna do a quick unboxing on a new jacket, another jacket that I ordered. This jacket is called the Carhartt Bartlett jacket. Obviously I have quite a few jackets, but I was wanting to get a jacket to work in and do housework in, but also something that I could wear to grab a beer or something like that if I wanted to, that didn't look terrible. So I've always been a big fan of Carhartt jackets, especially for work stuff. They always just seem to hold up really well, really good fabric. So I went with the gray again, just because I thought it would be a little bit easier to kind of not look exactly like a work jacket if I wanted to wear it out and about. So I went with a small. I'm not a huge guy. I weigh like 170 pounds. I'm 5'9". I've seen and heard that these run really, really, really big, and I typically wear a medium and everything, so I went with a small for that reason. Looks nice at first glance. Hopefully it fits. If not, I'll just send it back to Amazon for a medium. But again, this is the Bartlett jacket. It's got that classic Carhartt fabric. Let's see if I can do this on camera. It's got buttons and a zipper. Really hard to do behind a camera. Feels warm, feels heavy. Actually was kind of expecting it to feel a little bit lighter, but I'm really glad. I actually kind of like the weight. I think it'll be a good weight. I can work in it, but not to get hot. That's Sherpa lining. So kind of that, I don't know, fleece type fabric. Got some interior pockets. Zipper pocket there. Looks nice. So yeah, have to try it on and see how it looks. It looks like on the bottom you can hem it up too, or not hem it up, but tighten the bottom around you if you want. So that's cool, I like that. I didn't know this was gonna have that. And got good pockets. Pocket for keeping your hands warm. So yeah, looks nice. I'll have to try it on, see how it fits. Thanks for watching.